dog spray? Oh, you're filming. Hi.
Hey, look at the sandals.
The new boat. Scooter, what are you standing in?
Get that string off.
No, I need it to pull the trailer. You could make music.
No, don't have that on. Why? Why?
So it holds the boat on the trailer.
Why hold the boat on?
So it doesn't flop off when I'm driving. Jeez.
Hey.
Careful.
Cheese. Cheese.
Say,
Jeez.
congratulations on your new boat, Daddy.
Why are you upside down?
Jay's first time out on his new boat. May 14th, 2010. This is our house. Our street. My diseased flower bed. Working on it.
It's your boat,
Did
too.
you just tell him?
It's the next time.
Okay. Okay, let's go, Scoot. You want to grab your bike or grab your tricycle?
How did it get up here?
How it did that?
How did it do that? Want to get your shoes on? The sandals?
No.
We'll just go down the driveway. Watch yourself. Did you get another mosquito bite?
You know what? I got from it.
A boat bite?
Can I do it down there?
No.
Why?
Because it's too steep. You should get your shoes on if you're going to go down there.
Why? What is down there?
The big hill?
But how are we doing this down there?
Are you going to go fast, fast, fast?
How are we doing this down there?
Well, you can walk down there.
Yeah. And do those funny slower ones that you used to do down the driveway where I was in Memphis.
Do you want to do it now? Let's go get it.
Yeah.
The funny stroller is in the trunk of the car. Scooter, the stroller is in the trunk of my car. Here's the play set. There's Adrian's tree house and his play set. And the back porch in the back of our house. He's right there.
Hey, Scooter, I got a surprise for you that'll match your car.
And that's our porch and deck.
You ready? Take your hand. Stay right there.
Is it bathroom? Is it bathroom?
Little glasses for your yellow Corvette.
Why?
You want to put them on? Can we put them on? They're for you.
We'll go with his hairnet,
There you go.
his red hairnet from the dairy. All right, Tough.
Okay.
See
bye.
ya.